Naveen Kumar, working as Associate Professor in Mallareddy Group of Institutions. Our group is very largest group in Andhra Pradesh. Our group has 8 engineering colleges. In 8 engineering colleges, one of the engineering colleges is Mallareddy Engineering College, that is autonomous college. Remaining 7 colleges are JNTU affiliated colleges. In our group, 2 institutions has NAAC accredited, Mallareddy College of Engineering and Technology and Mallareddy Engineering College. Both are accredited with NAAC A grade. That is one of the great achievement of our group. And also our group has 2 colleges NBA accredited, that are accreditation given by AICT New Delhi. Mallareddy College of Engineering and Technology and Mallareddy Engineering College, both are accredited with NBA grade. And also coming to one of the college, Mallareddy College of Engineering and Technology, that college is graded with the AAA from Career 360 magazine, that is surveyed in 2014 based on placements, academics and infrastructure point of view. We received a AAA grade, and also we got 4th best engineering college surveyed by GHRDC, one of the best survey in India. And we got ISO 9001-2008 certification by Mallareddy College of Engineering Technology and Mallareddy Engineering College for Women. These 2 colleges received ISO 9001-2008 certification. Our college has 20,000 intake, that is very good number, and our college almost 100% seats filled in 2013. That is one of the great achievement. And placement point of view, so many companies visit to our group. IBM, Oracle, NTT Data, Teradata, Infosys, TCS, so many best and top-notch companies visit to our college, and more than 80% of the students placed in various companies. Coming to staff point of view, in our college 100% staff are MTech qualified. No one is pursuing MTech or BTech. All are MTech qualified faculty, and 80%, more than 80% faculty ratified through JNTU Hyderabad. Every year JNTU conducting ratification process. In that, more than 80% of the people ratified through JNTU Hyderabad. That is one of the great achievement. And coming to salaries point of view, it's a very good 6th pay implemented in our college. Faculty has so many facilities in our college. And coming to group point of view, so many doctorates are there. All doctorates, they completed PhD in universities and topmost IITs. Coming to Mallareddy College of Engineering Technology, principal is Dr. VSK Reddy. He completed PhD in IIT Kharagpur, and present he is doing postdoc in UK. He has very much good experience in teaching point of view and research point of view. He is excellent. Coming to his versatile and dynamic guidance, our college is going to topmost college in Andhra Pradesh. Coming to academic point of view, placement point of view, R&D point of view. Thank you.